All right. It is Sunday night. I almost forgot. It is Sunday night, National Sports Card Collectors Convention weekend. And we've got some exciting stuff tonight. We've got a break that we just sold out. So thank you guys. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, everyone who bought into the Topps Chrome Jumbo. We're going to break that first because it's sold out. We only have a few spots left in the Chronicle Soccer. So please go pick those up if you can. Let's get going here. So again, we have two boxes. We're going to read some names. Once we are done with breaking, we will certainly do the giveaway we promised. But let me read some names first and foremost. This is for the two boxes Chrome. Let me just move some stuff around here. Two boxes Chrome Jumbo. All right, here we go. Arizona and Atlanta going to Zachary. Kathleen's got the Baltimore Orioles. Zachary with Boston Red Sox. TCG Brothers with the White Sox. Tyler with the Cubs. Greg R. with the Cincinnati Reds. Zachary with the Guardians. Travis S. with the Rockies. Chris S. with the Tigers and Astros. Michael or TCG with the AC Royals. Zachary with the Angels and Dodgers. Tyler with the Marlins. Greg R. with the Brewers. Tyler with the Twins. Zachary with the Yankees and Mets. James with the A's. Kathleen with the Phillies. Mike from TCG with the Pittsburgh Pirates. Zachary with the Padres. Tyler with the Giants. Zachary with the Mariners Cardinals. TCG Bros with the Rays. Kevin A with the Rangers. Tyler with the Blue Jays and Nationals. So it's a Zachary, Kathleen, TCG brother, Tyler, Chris. So we got those names for you, but here we go. Two boxes of Chrome. Where's my little in my shiv? Lights are on, everything's good. Get the show on the road. Empty box topper. Good luck, everyone. If you're in chat, call out your teams, call out your players. Pull some fire.
I'm not, man.
I agree, Mike. I agree. Got to get that man some FaceTime, some hand time. Like I said,
maybe next time.
What's that?
Maybe next time.
Black 22. Poor Justin. Poor Justin. I can't believe you guys broke last night. Came back from Nationals. How was your trip back home? Was no problems, no hiccups? Boomer survived. Did you guys end up going out Friday night? Anywhere fun? Any good stories? All right, let's see what we got here. What are we doing? We need our
oh shoot.
We need our camera on.
It is on.
No, on. Like that on. All right. What's up, Kevin? Thanks for stopping in, man.
Thanks for buying in, Kevin.
All right, we got Aranda, we got Toglia, Jones, Villar, Rosario. What we got here? Got that Michael Harris. That one of those again, or is it the Fuki Shoma, whatever the hell, or no? Oh, nice. Fernando Tatis, a little hyper prism. Hyper chrome, I guess you would say.
Oh boy.
What happened? No, you did not. Did you really? Shut up. Are you joking or are you for real?
Can't be joking. How would he know?
That's true. Well, yeah. Well, Polecats is on the way home, I guess. So I've heard. Who's Castillo? And our auto is for the Colorado Rockies. Blue Ray Wave. 58 of 150. Mr. Ezekiel Tovar for Travis. Shortstop. There you go. Nice hit. Travis is not in chat. Did John fall in love? Ryan.
He said it was very nice.
Evan? Nobody got pink eye? Or worse? Salvador Perez, Technicolor, Kansas City Royals. Sir, got the Titans, Ron Acuna, Ozzy Albius, Chrome.
Oh, he fell in love? Poor guy.
2 times. Oh, well, I guess part of me's glad I didn't go because I'd probably still be there right now. I'd be helping out the cleanup crew, the C Squad. Oswald Peraza. And for Kansas City, Brewer Hicklin, rookie. There you go, Mike. You got yourself a Brewer Hicklin for KC. On card auto. Brewer Hicklin. Brandon Lowe. Yeah, for sure. Absolutely. We were tired, man. I was exhausted. I was very, very much exhausted. I don't know how you guys golfed and then still did all that. Nice pink refractor. Josh Young. There you go, Texas. That's Kevin, I believe. This little pink variation. Congrats. Josh Young. Titans, Ramirez, Chris Sale. He said, sweet, we got an auto. Yes, you did. Paul Goldschmidt, Cardinals, throwback. Chrome. Alec Thomas. Jordan Alvarez. All right, that's a pass. We forced out to go. It was 9. We didn't need to go back. Yeah, I hear you, man. I was convention out. Arc still went back on Saturday. Do some business. You listened to the Fanatics and did some transacting. Kissing babies.
Shake some hands.
That's what he did. Royce Lewis, future stars. Titans, Rutschman. Colorado, Ryan McMahon.
Just a reminder for those of you that bought spots in the breaks, that automatically gives you extra entries into the giveaway. So we'll be doing that at the end of the evening.
Hyper Refractor. Chrome.
No, I didn't buy anything, man. I bought I had to buy some sealed wax, but nothing. No singles, nothing like that.
I was deflated after I got my grade. So I was like, I'm done. Never going back again.
Yeah. Next time, you can't be grading anything
until the end.
The weekend of nationals, because
I'm done. You know, it wasn't even the grade. It just because I was the first time I ever submitted anything. I was telling Ark, I dropped 50 cards on them too. That probably won't be back for like 60 days. But now, you know, I was so sure about how clean that Luca was that now I'm second guessing what the other 50 cards that I meticulously picked to get graded. So, and that's what scares me. Like when I get those back and I go, well, apparently my eye is not just my eye, my loop. I got my I got tools. It's not like I'm just doing it, you know, naked eye. But we got here for Kansas City again, Drew Waters. 8 of 199. I believe that's Mike. 8 of 199. Little Aqua. True Waters. Outfielder. From Milwaukee, Willie Adames.
Oh, that's what I didn't finish telling you the story. So I popped into their chat and I'm like, I wrote in there because I guess people were confusing their logo with Wisconsin. Wisconsin?
Wisconsin?
Yep. So I go, wait, you're not from Milwaukee?
Nice.
I mean, I didn't say it.
That's what you were doing?
That's what I was going for.
That's what you were doing?
Yeah.
Ezekiel Tovar. Another hit. Yeah, I don't understand that either. We have a Kevin Valdachuk. Or Kevin's. Jesus. Ken Valdachuk. There's no Kevin in there. What the fuck is wrong with me? Pitcher for the A's. The A's. James. But like, Mike, it was so, so deflating. That's all I'm going to say. Super deflating. All right, box 2 of 2. Go. Get more fire. Let's get a 1 of 1. Get a super fractor.
All right, for our other breaks, you guys, we got 7 left in the 2-box finest baseball, 11 left in Chronicle Soccer. We got some little ways to go in the basketball one, so not sure if we'll be able to push that one all the way through.
If we don't break it, we'll refund your money.
Yep.
But we are still certainly doing the big giveaway today. Every spot you bought gets an entry.
But we would love to close out that second baseball and soccer.
But yeah, it's crazy. I don't know. I'm waiting to see patiently. I got a couple things I'm looking forward to. So I think the auction for the Triple Logo Man doesn't start till like next week, and it runs all the way through September, like mid-September. And then by then, I guess. Well, I guess what is it? 60 days or I don't know what the value. I don't know what the usual turnaround is for PSA, but I've never done it. They said like 60 days. So probably early October. I would expect to get my 50 cards back. That's going to be interesting. All right, good luck, everyone. Let's go. The answer. Royce Lewis. Liberatore. Chrome. Liberatore. There's a Vlad Blue Jays. And we have a purple. Jiquan Bay. 34 to 250. Second baseman for the Pirates. Who's got Pittsburgh? Mike? Michael, look at that. Another hit, Unc. Check it out, Unc. I got you a Jiquan Bay. 34 250. Purple. Mike's on fire. Corrado. Black 22. That's right. Classic. Technicolor. Ron Acuna. Titans. Clayton. Cody Clemens. Chrome. Shiny. Shiny. Nightbot needs to shut up. George Springer, Blue Jays. And we have for Kansas City again. Isn't this a second Drew Waters auto or no? Oh no, it's another Kansas City, but it's not Drew Waters. Holy crap! Hey, Mike. Drew Waters, 209 of 499. Got yourself a autograph. Mike just hot. He just hot. Turner. Keep it going. Well, this is ending soon.
This is ending.
You got some Topps Finest. Hopefully we can sell that out at least. Wowie wow wow. And for the Toronto Blue Jays out of 199, Dalton Varsho. There you go. 175 to 199 Aqua Refractor. Picked up what? All of it? All of what? Finest? I guess Finest is coming.
Finest is sold out.
Melendez. Who went full Santa on
Full Santa?
Full Santa on our website?
Oh. Things are going well, so.
Oh, is it Mike?
Uncle Mike.
Uncle Mike? Jeez, Mike. Probably buttering me up. He needs a kidney after that this weekend. Ezekiel Duran. All right. Let's finish strong. Doing good so far. Abrams, Titans, Mike Trout, Pedersen. Ethan Small, Hyper Refractor. Molina. A lot of back-to-back horizontal cards. Jesus. What are we trying to tell us? Technicolor Shea Langeliers. Anthony Volpe. Nice Hyper.
Justin's in. John, Mike, and Boomer. Nice.
Justin, oh, Justin's out. Paying the price. His wife probably found some something from the in his bag from the women he fell in love with, the polecats. Ooh, what is this? Is this like one of those negative ones? Ezekiel Duran for Texas. I believe that was Kevin. That's cool, man. Nice little negative refractor. Josh Young, Rangers. Got a Mascarolas. Oh, we got some Speckle. Of course. What do you think the Speckle's for? For none other, MJ Melendez for Kansas City, 251 to 350. Little pink speckle. Speckle for Mike. Man, I appreciate your support,
Right,
Mike. Thanks,
support,
guys. Man. I'll keep it going. I'll keep it going for you. Corbin Carroll. Appreciate your support, man. Good luck with your breaks. Let me know when you actually break basketball for a change. He said, I don't know if I should leave. I mean, you're on fire. That is for certain. And we have another auto, Michael Toglia for Colorado. Where the hell is Travis when you need him?
Congrats, Travis.
All right. That will conclude this break. Thanks, Unc. See if I can continue for you in Topps. Give us a second here while we get the recap going. Feel like I'm saying Mike's name a lot.
He said they're doing basketball tonight.
Oh, for real? For real? All right, let's see. Make sure I didn't miss any rookies. I think I got them all. Hold up. No, do your thing, man.
I got a stack here.
So we got time. We got time tonight. We're on no time schedule. We're just
Thanks, guys.
we're doing whatever we need to do. Get through the night.
Finest 2-box, guys, is next after this. And then we still got 11 left in soccer chronicles 4-box break. And I think 20 in basketball. So use the code on our website, get 25% off all your spots.
Here's a recap. Josh Young, pink, refractor. Here you go, Texas. Kansas City, 8 out of 199. Little teal aqua rookie, Drew Waters. Okay, for Texas, Ezekiel Duran, Texas, negative image. Got a pink speckle out of 350, MG Melendez for KC. Our autos were Jihuan Bay for the Pittsburgh Pirates out of 250, purple refractor. Ken Valdechuk, Oakland A's auto. A Brewer Hicklin for KC auto. Gorgeous Colorado Rockies. Oh, we get Tovar. Oh, I was gonna say this too. We got Ezekiel Tovar out of 150 blue Ray Wave auto for Travis. The negative was not numbered, was it? Did I miss the numbering? Maybe. No, I don't. Oh shit, maybe. Yeah, it is. You're right. I missed. Look at that. You cannot even see it. It's -5. Get it? -5 out of -0.
What? That's
Out of 0, I should say. That's fucking hilarious. That's cool. Good catch. The judge has judged. I didn't even see it. It's so like because of the negative. -5, man. That's a nice hit, Kevin. Nice. Michael Toglia again for Colorado. Colorado back-to-back. And Drew Waters out of 499 auto. The big Kansas City, Rockies, and Rangers break, apparently. Damn. All right, give us a minute. We'll be right back, and we'll do some Topps Finest for you.
Thanks, everyone.